Welcome back to our channel. So the next topic is trigonometric angles. Okay, so trigonometric angles. Okay, so the most commonly used trigonometric angles are 0, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. So these are the most commonly used trigonometric angles. Okay, so let us discuss the trigonometric table. Okay, so table. So here ratios, trigonometry ratios, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. Okay. So these are the angles. Trigonometry angle 0 degrees, 30, 45, okay, 0, let us take that 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degrees. Okay, so first step is write the number digit from 0 to 4. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so first step is write the digit from 0 to 4. Okay, write from 0 to 4. And next step is divide all the each digit by 4. Okay, so divide all the above by 4. So that means it implies that 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. Okay, so you know that 0 by any number is 0. Okay, so 1 by 4 next. So 2 by 4, that means 2 1s are 2 2s are get cancelled. So 1 by 2 is remain, and 3 by 4 and 4 by 4, that means 4 4 get cancelled, value is 1. Okay, so first step is first write the 0 to 4, and next step is divide all the number digits by 4. Okay, so third step is we have to apply square root to each and every term. Okay, so apply square root to the above. Okay, so if you apply square root, that means root 0 under root of 1 by 4 under root of 1 by 2 under root of 3 by 4 under root 1. Okay, so root 0 value is 0, and root 1 by 4, that means root 1 by root 4, and root 1 by 2, that means root 1 by root 2, root 3 by 4, that means root 3 by root 4, root 1 value is 1. Okay, so implies that 0, root 1 value is 1 by root 4 value is 2, root 1 value is 1 by root 2, and root 3 by root 4 value is 2 comma 1. Okay, so 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. So note these values. Okay, so note these values and write here. Okay, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. So these are the values of sine. Okay, so that means sine 0 value is 0, sine 30 value is 1 by 2, so sine 45 value is 1 by root 2, sine 60 value is root 3 by 2, sine 90 value is 1. Okay, so now to get the cos values, okay, so reverse the digits. Okay, that means 1 should be placed here, and root 3 by 2, next 1 by root 2, so 1 by 2 and 0. Okay, so by reversing the sine terms we will get the cos terms. Okay, values of cos. Okay, next we know that tan theta equal to sine by cos. Okay, now the tan value equal to sine by cos, that means sine by cos. So 0 by 1 is 0, and 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, so that means 2 2 gets cancelled, so 1 by root 3 is the value. So 1 by root 3 is the value of tan 30. Okay, next 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. Okay, 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, that means numerator and denominator both are same, so get cancelled, that means value is 1. Okay, next root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. Okay, root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled. So root 3 by 1 is value is root 3. Okay. Next 1 by 0 is undefined, infinity. Okay. So 1 by 0 is infinity. Okay. Next cosec value. So cosec, we know that cosec is the reciprocal of sine. That means 1 by sine theta. Okay. So 1 by 0 is infinity. Okay. Next 1 by 1 by 2. Okay. 1 by 1 by 2. That means 2 multiplies with the numerator. So 2 by 1 is 2. Next 1 by 1 by root 2. That means root 2. Okay. So 1 by root 3 by 2. So its value is 2 by root 3. And 1 by 1 is 1. Okay. So these are the values of cosec theta. Next sec theta, we know that is the reciprocal of cos. That means 1 by cos. Okay. So 1 by cos, that means 1 by 1 is 1. And 1 by root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. And 1 by root 2 is root 2 by 1. That means root 2. So 1 by 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. So 2. So 1 by 0 is undefined. Okay. Next cot theta. We know that cot theta is the reciprocal of tan. That means 1 by tan. Okay. So 1 by 0 is infinity. Okay. So 1 by root 3. That means root 3 by 1. So that means root 3. Okay. 1 by 1 is value 1. Next 1 by root 3. Next 1 by infinity is 0. Okay. So this is the trigonometry table. So if we observe, sine and cos are reversed. Okay. So that means sine value, if we revert the sine values, we will get the cos values. And tan and cot are reversed. Okay. So infinity, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 0. Okay. So if we revert the tan terms of tan, we will get the cot. Okay. Next cosec and sec are reverse. Okay. The values of the cosec, if we revert the values of the cosec, we will get the values of the sec. Okay. This is all about the trigonometry table.